Military surplus gear has a reputation for one simple reason: it works when conditions get tough. The items on this list were originally created for soldiers who needed dependable equipment in demanding situations, and many of those gear are now available on Amazon. So if you're putting together a survival kit, preparing for emergencies, or simply looking for gear with a proven track record, these military-inspired picks offer real-world value. Some of these pieces of gear have been trusted in the field for decades, and a few might surprise you with how affordable they are today. Let's count them down. Number 12. Camillus Military Knife. Another classic piece of military surplus gear is the Camillus Demo Knife. Originally included in military survival and field kits, this multi-tool has earned a reputation for practicality. Its all-metal construction can handle years of hard use, while the main blade is useful for everyday camp tasks such as food preparation and cleaning fish on the way. In addition to the knife blade, it includes a can opener, bottle opener, and flathead screwdriver, giving you several useful tools in one pack. This one is simple, dependable, and often affordable. It's a great example of military gear that continues to prove its value long after leaving service. Number 11. Load-bearing suspenders. While it isn't a survival tool in the traditional sense, it plays a key role in helping you carry essential gear comfortably and efficiently. Originally developed for military load-bearing equipment, the H-style harness spreads weight across your shoulders and back, reducing fatigue during long periods of movement. Its 4-point suspension system helps keep gear balanced and secure, while the adjustable straps can be paired with belts, pouches, and packs. When your survival gear needs to stay organized and accessible, a dependable load-bearing harness can be just as valuable as the equipment it carries. Number 10. Israeli Compression Bandage. When it comes to military surplus survival gear, few items are more important than a reliable emergency bandage. Originally developed for battlefield trauma care, this type of pressure bandage is designed to help control severe bleeding from deep cuts, punctures, and other serious injuries when immediate medical help isn't available. Its compact, vacuum-sealed package takes up very little space in a survival kit, yet it can play a critical role during an emergency. The elastic wrap allows for fast application and can even serve multiple purposes in the field, making it one of the most practical and potentially life-saving items you can carry. Number 9. Snakestaff Gen 2 Tourniquet. Emergencies don't wait, and neither should you. Survival kits are incomplete without a way to deal with a life-threatening injury, and a tourniquet is one of the most important medical items you can carry. Originally developed for military and emergency use that can help control severe bleeding. This version takes up far less space than traditional models, which makes it easy to keep in a backpack, first aid kit, or survival pouch. With durable materials and designed to work under stressful conditions, it's a practical piece of military-inspired survival gear that could prove invaluable in a real emergency. Number 8. TYR Pico. One thing you'll notice about high-end military gear is that it's often designed around movement. The TYR Pico MV follows that same philosophy. It gives you a stable platform for carrying equipment while still allowing you to move naturally. The breathable construction helps with comfort, and the streamlined profile keeps unnecessary bulk to a minimum. Whether you're building a tactical setup or simply exploring military-inspired equipment, it's a piece that balances practicality, comfort, and versatility in a way that's easy to appreciate. So, if you've used any military surplus gear before, share your experience in the comments. Your recommendation might help someone else. Number 7. Military Lensatic Compass. This military-grade Lensatic compass is built to U.S. military standards and is known for its durability and accuracy in demanding conditions. What sets it apart is its self-powered tritium illumination system, which provides a constant glow for years without requiring batteries, making nighttime navigation much easier. Built to withstand water, shock, sand, and rough handling, this is the kind of military surplus survival gear that can help keep you on course when modern technology is no longer an option. Number 6. Agilite MD2 Kit. A well-organized trauma kit can be just as important as the medical supplies inside it, which is why the Agilite MD2 earns a place among the best military-inspired survival gear. In high-pressure situations, it features a pull-tab deployment system that quickly presents your medical supplies without forcing you to dig through a crowded pouch. The modular interior keeps gear organized and easy to identify, allowing you to grab exactly what you need while keeping the rest secure and clean. With multiple mounting options for belts, packs, and load-bearing gear, it's a practical way to keep critical medical equipment within reach. Number 5. GORUCK GR1. When talking about the best military-inspired survival gear, a rugged backpack is an absolute must, and few have earned a reputation quite like the GR1. Built with extremely durable materials and reinforced at key stress points, this pack is designed to handle years of hard use in demanding conditions. Its water-resistant construction helps protect essential gear, while the clamshell opening makes packing and accessing equipment quick and convenient. Multiple rows of mall webbing allow you to expand and customize your setup as needed. If you're tired of backpacks that wear out when you need them most, a heavy-duty rucksack like this can be a worthwhile investment for any survival or preparedness kit. Don't click away yet, because the next item has a feature that separates it from almost everything else on this list. Number 4. Magnum Strike Force 6.0. The Magnum Strike Force is a strong contender for anyone looking for military-inspired gear that can handle demanding conditions. With a durable leather upper, breathable mesh panels, and supportive ankle protection, these boots are designed for long days on your feet. It has features such as moisture-wicking lining, cushioned insoles, and impact-absorbing midsoles to help reduce fatigue. The side zipper allows for quick on and off access, while the slip-resistant outsole provides reliable traction across a variety of surfaces. Number 3. RTS Mini Shield. For those who want an extra layer of protection in uncertain situations, portable ballistic shields represent one of the more specialized pieces of surplus military-inspired gear available. These shields are built to provide protection against a range of common threats while remaining mobile. The durable carrier system helps protect the shield during transport and allows it to be stored alongside other essential equipment. Multiple carry and deployment options make it easier to access when needed. While not a standard item for every survival kit, portable protective equipment like this highlights how military technology continues to influence modern preparedness. Number 2. Emergency Steel Wire. At first glance, a wire saw might look like a simple piece of cable, but it can be surprisingly useful in survival situations. This cutting gear can handle materials such as wood, plastic, rubber, bone, and even some softer metals. Using it is straightforward. Just grip the two ring handles and move the saw back and forth to cut through the material. Weighing only a few grams and taking up almost no space, it's an easy addition to a backpack, emergency kit, or bug-out bag when every ounce matters. Number 1. Military Poncho. A military-style rain poncho is one of those survival items that offers far more than just rain protection. It helps keep you dry and comfortable during hikes and emergency situations. Based on military field gear concepts, this poncho is made from durable ripstop polyester with a polyurethane coating that provides an impressive waterproof rating. The fabric is also quieter than many standard rain jackets, reducing the rustling noise that can be distracting in the field. It can serve as rain gear, an emergency shelter, or an extra layer of protection when conditions take a turn for the worse. If survival, camping, and tactical gear are your thing, hit subscribe, because we cover practical equipment that actually earns its reputation. Please drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video.